Hey, what's going on, everybody? We got a little bit something different today. Have you ever had where your vehicle will be a hard start? Has it sat there and ran rough after you started it? So what we're gonna do today we're gonna do the MPFI upgrade. Because it turns out that my hard start and my following the plugs, and the fact that it was running rough, it was misfiring like a son of a bitch. It said it was misfiring on multiple cylinders. Went and took it to my buddy's shop and put the pressure tester on it, and it was showing that it was 60 plus pounds. So the fuel pressure was good. But when we went to go turn it off, it drained pressure. What was happening is that the fuel pressure regulator was bad, so it was dumping fuel into my 3 and 5 cylinder, or my 5 and 7 cylinder, one of the two. But now that we know the fuel pressure regulator is bad, we're going to take apart the intake, put the new MPFI system on there instead of the spider injectors, so we'll get a little bit more power and better fuel mileage. Here's the box from Rock Auto right here. So what I did is I'd ordered a gasket kit, because you're going to want to get an intake gasket kit. This from Rock Auto comes with 3 different gaskets. I'm going to pull them out right now. You get your actual intake gasket, which these are meant to be reusable, but if your vehicle has 200,000 plus miles like mine does, I just rolled 230, I'm going to replace it anyway. I'm not going to keep my original. It also comes with a new O-ring for the MPFI kit, but it comes with one on it, and a brand new throttle body gasket. So you get 3 gaskets in one. Oh, we got a sticker in here. Oh, not a sticker, just something. Now here's the MPFI kit. Here's the part number FJ504. This will work for both the 5 liters and 5.7s on the 96 to 98, 96 to 2000 OBS GMT 400s. So I'm gonna set the camera down quick, and I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna take a peek at it. All right, so we got the box open now. We're gonna pull the whole thing out. Nice black plastic sleeve, goddamn. Comes with instructions right here. Here's the assembly. I'm gonna flip this upside down and take a peeker at it. Woohoo! She purty. Kick ass. All right. Yep, see, here's the new O-ring right here. It even shows you your cylinder numbers so you know where to put them at. That's really nice. I'm glad there's no guesswork on that one. All right, so now that we got all those things taken apart, I'm gonna start getting tools out. Get right to it. We'll mount this thing up so you can watch. Have fun, guys. so we got the new spider injectors on. Well, not really spider, the new MPFI system. The hardest part of getting this in is bending these in place. You don't want to bend them too hard. You can kink them, but it's very hard to kink them. Just be very, very careful when you do. Otherwise, everything's in place. I've got it all in the new clip. You can reuse this old clip. It says when you buy these to get the new one, this bracket on Rock Auto is part number HK9. And this gasket comes with the MPFI system on the standard part that I bought. But when you buy a gasket kit 2049 on Rock Auto, it comes with this gasket right here, a new intake gasket, and a throttle body gasket, which I will be replacing as well because I have it. All right, let's get this thing back on.
Okay, you got one more bolt to go on that bracket.
Yes.
Right here.
That's that bad boy right there. All right, now it's like a couple days later, and we're gonna test it out again because I did not get any footage the other day. Here's a cold start after work. This is how quickly it starts up now.
John 5 has been doing this
Instantly. That's wonderful. And you can definitely hear that it's a lot better too. Sounds a lot more clean. Even revs up better too. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a little bit of time spacing out from when I did the job here late last week and today. And it seems to be turning out all right. We'll catch you guys later. See ya.